I'm right now over here at the KB Dasan Road in Alwarpet that leads on to the TTK Road. Right, if you can see, the water over here has been waterlogged for the last 2 to 3 days, and it is just today that the authorities have come and they are pumping out the water. The biggest problem over here is right now that the drainage water has mixed up with the water that was stagnated over here for the last 2 to 3 days. And also this road is a very important road. There are many colleges over here, many offices over here, the SIET colleges over here. A bus was broke down over here 2 days ago, and it is just today that the authorities have come and they are towing the bus out from this road. This is the KB Dasan Road in Alwarpet, which will now lead on to TTK Road and further on to Radhakrishnan Road as well. But we spoke to some residents over here, and they are saying that this road was really bad for the last 2 days. There was water till at least hip level, but still, because of very less rainfall today and yesterday, no rainfall at all, the water has receded on its own. And also on my left is an ATM over here, which is finally opened this morning. About an hour ago there was a mad rush of people over here, but the ATM over here on KB Dasan Road in Alwarpet is open, and it is completely functional. And we would like to tell viewers that if you require to use any ATMs, this ATM over here in Alwarpet is working on the road that leads on to SIET College. But situation over here, we spoke to some authorities also trying to pump out water from here. Another motor has been brought over here, and they are trying to pump out water as soon as possible over here. These residents have not left this place. The electricity also came only this morning at about 8 AM, and which is why they are managing to use the motors and pump out the water. So steady progress is on over here. Water should be pumped out as soon as possible. We just saw the bus being towed out, and which will also, that means clear traffic that will come on from Mount Road, Tenampet signal, and go on to the other parts of the city across TTK Road and Adayar and Nandanam.